Hello, good morning, dear my students. Today we are going to this the topic Jal Jeevan Mission Har Ghar Jal. So we are going to the live in this explain the topic and what do you understand, and then after you make the notes and this writing practice every day. So dear students, Manoj Kumar, Shao and Bharat Lal, what do you say in this scheme and improving by the east of the living with clean top water to every home and related to the health Jal Jeevan Mission JJM. Jal Jeevan Mission focus on the equality to include within the vision by that every rural householder has top by water supply in this acute by the quantity of the press bread or quality on regular and a long-term basis of the leading to improvement in this living standard of the rural communities. Jal Jeevan Mission focus on the equality to inclusion by the rural householder and supply the equality of the quantity of the regular and long-term basis of the leading by improvement by living standard by the community and the people maintain your the health and education and provide this water and so to improve by the quality of the lives and enhance related to this easy by the living or the people of the country. Jal Jeevan Mission was announced by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi 15 August 2019 on the provide the function of the householder type connection by FTTC to the every rural home by 2024. And outlay by the Jal Jeevan Mission of the 3.60 lakh crore and this which union government share the 2.0 lakh 08 lakh crore and the state share by this 1.52 lakh crore. This paragraph cited dear students first Jal Jeevan Mission announcement by the 15 August 9 2019 enabled by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi related to this function householder top connection and rural home by this target this 2024. But Jal Jeevan Mission 3.60 lakh crore people out of the which Union government share in the 2.08 lakh crore and the state share the 1.52 crore. So dear announced by the people and the Prime Minister, the crore family living by the rural area. Then after 3.23 crore 70% rural family top of the water connection related to home and then 15.70 crore family were fetched in the water from the drinking water resource outside other home. These lines added announcement the people of the amount with this 18.93 crore family and living in rural area, but 17% and the rural family top of the connection related to home and fetching by water from the drinking water resource and every home says related to Indian people. And then Swachh Bharat Mission was launched in the 2014. Swachh Bharat Mission launched in the 2014, enabled by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and India and open defense by the free country results 11 crore toilet and constructed in the rural area. 11 crore toilet were constructed in the rural area But the people said that and covered the any situation October 2nd October 2019. You know that, dear my students, 2nd October in birth anniversary, it is the Mahatma Gandhi. And tribute the Mahatma Gandhi was the 115th birth anniversary related to the country declared by itself open the day fiction of the free. And then Jal Jeevan Mission. All rural householder and provide the one target 2024 related to the any issue of the water problem in the rural area and Shauchalaya related to this development 2024 and the 6 year planned by ahead of this sustainable by the development goal number 6 target. Target number 2 model of the other developing the countries and adopted by the practice in the achieve the SDG 6 goal. And then mission was the giving boost of the manufacturing by the industry, creating of the job opportunity, helping the rural economics, top of where supply in the rural home, radius to directly to the women, and provide by equality to educated. And then children learn by the about new skill, explore better livelihood option. This paragraph said that mission manufacturing by the industry, creating opportunity, different types of opportunity available in the rural area, economic development. But supply in the rural home educated industry, women provide the equality and educated by them teach their children and you have to learn by the new skill. Explore then the better childhood option. Then after you can development, this is a rural area. Next topic, dear my students, focus on the survey delivery. Focus on the on service delivery. What do you say in this paragraph? What do you think, dear students, under the mission? But focus on the control the accused, supply by the portable by the water to every home, rather than the mainly by infrastructure, certain the massive training to a skill program and belong to taking the build of the capacity of the public health engineering and the local community, including by the monsoon, plumber, fitter, pump operator, etc. Ensure the regular service in the delivery to the every home. Public health engineering department in the Gram Panchayat or its by the sub communities to pay to the role of the public utility. Utility. So, dear student, this paragraph said that any types of under the mission and development the rural area infrastructure the development and the meaning by this the means training a skill development program board can built by the capacity by the health public engineering local community by including the related to mason plumber fitter pump operator etc but it is a very vast service in the rural area and the home public health engineering department of the Gram Panchayat. So sub communities to pay on the role of the public utility. Next, Jal Jeevan Mission is the identified by key of the periodic of the area, such as the water qualify the suffering, habitants by the village, in the desert by the drought, from area is CST major part of the senior Gram Yojana village. Under the mission by the 112 apparitions by the district related to human development, indicated by the 61 AES affected by the district and have been even by opportunity from the provide a pipe of the water supply to every home and the consumer by this contact, connected by the water led to be water home disease and this founder of the major source of the drinking water and the some part of the country. And there are the genetic by the continent by like forever the iron, salinity, nitrate, heavy metal, etc. It is very required in the rural area. And under the Jal Jeevan Mission, village with water quality issue prioritized by the proto by the water supply in case is by the building surface water based on the system related to probably by the interaction of the major provision we have to entirely by community water purification of the plant provide safe water to the rate of the X subtraction 10 liter 8 subtraction 10 liter per capita per day every householder. Dear students, this lines and that Jal Jeevan Mission village in the quality equality issue, but portable by the water supply in this building the surface and the system of the taking the supply the one person 8 to 10 per liter per day and this in which the house holder. But drinking water quality of the testing of the level in the various state United Union Territory has been open to the general public so that they can get their water samples of the tested in the nominal charge and the essence to the quality of the drinking water. And so it is will we provide the public health and the water homes. So related includes benefit by this entry rural population group like the percentage to the women and children. Also the latest 5% and the village women try to the use field test kits testing the water quality of the village level. Thank you.